All right, here is your final exam, part one. This will have all of your grammar, reading, um, editing activities built into this. So again, you can do this test in any order that you'd like. The first part of this test will be vocabulary. So based on some context clues, choose the correct meaning for each one. If you run into an issue on any of part of the test and maybe there's an issue with it or a question about it and you can't reach me right at that moment, please just put a note in there and I'll take that into consideration as I do the grading. So you can highlight, you can circle, however you're doing your testing. The second page, please make certain that you read each question carefully. So I'm asking specific issues. And so they're a little short answer. And then we get into looking at topic sentences and supporting details. So please make certain that you either put OK next to the good topic sentences or put an X next to those that would support the topic sentence. The next section is similar to the practice that we were doing for the review. So I've given you a brief paragraph, and from that paragraph, please tell me the main idea in your own words, and then two supporting ideas from the main paragraph. And this is the Word document that you're seeing, so you can expand these as you move along. The next section will be for your subjects, your verbs, and your prepositional phrases. So subjects you can underline once, verbs you can underline twice, or you can just highlight those, whatever's easiest for you to do. And then you can put parentheses around the prepositional phrases. There's one of each part within the sentence, so this is a total of 9 points. Multiple choice begins next. Again, highlight, circle, whatever your process has been. There are a number of these where there's more than one answer within the sentence, so number 34, number 38, so make certain that you read each one carefully. Moving on to the next page, you have 6 missing commas, so again, add the missing commas. There are only 6, so don't go overboard on here. And then the next section will be for apostrophes and capitalization. So in each sentence there are 2 issues. They could both be apostrophes, both be capitalization, or one of each. We have some sentence combining like writing center number 6. So we've worked on this quite a bit. So please make certain that they're clear sentences for your compound and then your complex structure. For the next section, I have I have 8 sentences for you total, and there are going to be 2 fragments, 2 run-ons, 2 comma splices, and 2 that are correct. And so you want to identify which ones are which, and then based on whichever problem sentences that you determine, if you want to pick 3 of them, you can show me corrected versions and get some extra credit for that as well. If you try it and it doesn't work, that's okay. It doesn't count against you. And then the very last section is that editing of a paragraph. So I have that brief paragraph for you. There are about 25 or so errors within this. It's called It's Not Easy Being a Roach. Try to have a little bit of fun at the end of the term here. You're going to look for every problem, and if you're using the Word document, this text box here will open up for you as you retype, or you can create a new file for that. And that is the end of the test. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.